Why should you use AR if you want your manufacturing to improve? Augmented reality has proven itself to help companies be more efficient. When Boeing included AR into their assemblies, their production time was reduced by 1/4, and the number of errors dropped almost to zero. As for product development, AR simplifies many aspects, including collaboration between executives and product developers. It is possible to virtually check the product for quality and eliminate manufacturing issues before the product is released to the public. The use of augmented reality can also help with processes like problem identification and troubleshooting. With AR, technicians in the field or on the shop floor can receive support in real time. Thanks to wearable devices, they can diagnose and fix a problem with both hands-free and without distractions. Many manufacturing organizations started to use AR to optimize quality checks. When workers look at a particular product, IoT sensors on product components can determine whether the parts meet necessary quality requirements. Supported by digital media and AR overlays indicating what needs to be done, every step can be performed accurately and on the first attempt. No more unsatisfying results or lost costs. And finally, training. Enhancing traditional classroom training with augmented reality allows workers to perform tasks hand-free and focus on what's in front of them. Rather than looking into paper manuals and reading complex diagrams, it enables them to engage fully.